Welcome to Scholastic News Digital. Get ready to access a powerful package of online resources that we've thoughtfully crafted for each issue. When you first log in, you'll arrive at this page. It shows highlights from the current issue. Scroll down to see other goodies, like practice tests, a graphic organizer library, text sets, pacing guides, and more. But if you just want to dive right into the current issue, click here. You'll see that everything you need to teach with the magazine is in one easy location. You can download the teacher's guide, answer key, all the skill builders for the issue, the Spanish edition, and a lower-level version of the article. You can even create Google quizzes. And did you know that each issue can be viewed 2 ways? This button opens the presentation view, which can be displayed in English or in Spanish. You can play the Read Aloud feature, highlight, and annotate the text. It's perfect for whole group instruction. You can also view the article as scrollable text. This view includes a Read Aloud feature too. You also have the ability to switch the text to a lower reading level. The best part is you can share the article to Google Classroom. Now scroll down past the article to find the videos, close reading questions, and skill builders that support the article. Searching for a topic or past issue? Search the Scholastic News archives and find exactly what you need. Be sure to check it out. And let us know what you think.